Hello everyone, so today we're going to be working on making ourselves a wire sculpture like we see here. We're going to first get this really long piece of wire, and with this long piece of wire, the first thing that we're going to do is get to one end of it and get a piece of tape. With this piece of tape, you're going to put it right in the middle of that piece of wire and then touch those two ends of tape together. If you have little bits of extra tape that are still sticky, just kind of fold it over. Pinch it so it makes a nice little flag like that of tape. Then on the actual tape, you are going to write using a Sharpie. Please don't use anything else. Use a Sharpie and write your name and your class code. These are all going to look exactly the same while we're in this next few steps, so please make sure you write your name on your artwork. Then what's going to happen is you are going to take these two ends, match them up, and then you're going to find the middle of your wire. When you match up those two ends, you just can find the middle just like that. Then you're going to hold the wire with your helper hand and you're going to make a head for your person. We're going to start with the middle with the head. And you're going to twist. You're going to twist about 3 twists, always going in the same direction so that your twist actually happens. This is slightly larger than my thumbnail, maybe about the size of that first digit on my thumb. Then I have to measure my arms. So my arms, we have a head for the shoulders, and then 1, 2, and bend it back at 3. Then you're going to hold it right there with your helper hand, and you're going to twist 3 times again to make your shoulder. Hold it again with your helper hand, twist for the wrist or the elbow, and then twist again for the wrist. Then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Measure the head, 1, 2, 3, and then bend back. Flip the whole thing over, hold it with your helper hand, don't forget a shoulder, and twist 3 times. Notice that the wire is starting to move on me. I can open up the wire so that I can better hold it, twist for the elbow, and again twist for the wrist. Keep your twists going in all the same direction. So now I've got my person's body, or the arms. Then 2 heads down will give us the belly button. So 1, 2, hold right there, twist for the body. Then this whole thing is going to become your legs. Let me readjust, twist it the same way. Legs are 4 heads tall, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That brings us just enough to have room for the feet, and you're going to twist this flag around the middle to make the waist. Do the same thing on the other side, make sure the legs are the same length long. Twist for the middle. Wrap that around. This wire can be pokey, so be careful that you don't poke yourself. And then 2 heads down, 1, 2. We're going to twist for the knee, twisting in the same direction, twist about 3 times, and twist for the ankle. Same thing over here. Match it up, 2 heads down, twist for the knee, and twist for the ankle. That'll give us our person. Pretty straightforward, but there are definitely areas that you can run into issues. And from here, think about what position you want your person to be in the end. All right, guys, if you have questions, let me know.